Powerbeats' first truly wireless hearing aids will be available in stores on May 10 for $250, and advance orders will begin on May 3. However, at the beginning you will have to content yourself with the black model. The ivory, moss and navy versions will not arrive until summer. Whatever style you get, functionality is the real attraction. These are more advanced versions and prepared for the training of the second-generation AirPods. Get the same H1 chip with Hey Siri hands-free for Apple devices, as well as a battery case to recharge your headphones when they're not in use. These are sweat and water-resistant designs designed to stay in your ears when you're in the gym, and promise better audio quality compared to AirPods and previous Beats. The larger size also allows a longer battery life. You can wait up to 9 hours per charge of the cocoons, and 15 additional hours of the box.